You might be wondering if this is Jarvis or something. Like, how cool is it? 50 plus AI agents spinning, 50 plus cloud browsers, all working towards achieving our one goal, building competitive intel of like 100 plus companies out there. And you can see the data writing live as this is happening. And the best part, this is not a recording, this is happening live, and you can go ahead and take control of any browser. And this is how you can build the websites with Retriever. All you gotta do is select the sheet that contains all the URLs or tasks that you want to automate with Retriever. Here are 100 plus product hunt listings that I've got, and I'm asking Retriever for each of the company here. Get me from the product hunt page the number of launches, reviews, ratings, followers, team members, their profiles, pros and cons, everything possible. As you can see here, this is being distributed across 53 cloud browsers right now, and you can like take a look at all of them, and even like take control of them as they are like working on. And it's spun up 50 plus cloud browsers and 50 plus agents running across parallelly doing these tasks for us. Like, how cool is that? Probably an intern would take a day or two to completely do this task for you, but with Retriever, within minutes you'll be able to like get this data all back to you, and you can see the data writing light to it. And the best part, unlike computer use agents, Retriever natively understands the DOM and gets the data even if it's behind a login. And the best part, the agent can now natively interact with CAPTCHA and try to solve the CAPTCHA for you. At any point of time, you can take control, do the login or do the CAPTCHA by yourself. In under 2 minutes, 50 plus cloud browsers and 50 plus agents work together to put this like full data for us. Let's check it out. Each of the company with their corresponding data for us, like the company name, the team members, the ratings, reviews. You can also extra ask it to like extract the specific ratings, the pros and cons. You can see the list of the pros for this company and the cons of this one, everything back to you. Like, this is a competitive intel that would take a long time to build, now possible with Retriever in like seconds to minutes. And the best part, you can now show the love for the product and also share the amazing work with your community and colleagues just by sharing this workflow that you just ran. In no time, you can see the query you ran with Retriever, what are the results, what are the different sheets that Retriever interacted with, and all the steps that the agent took to get our task done. What are you waiting for? Start vibe scraping with Retriever today and share across your socials.